Hey everyone, I'm Patrick Novotny and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a patriotic way for my American friends to fold a pocket square. I'm going to be using the 3 stairs pocket square fold with 3 squares so we can get the 3 colors of red, white, and blue. This is perfect for occasions like the 4th of July Independence Day or Memorial Day or Veterans Day or anything like that. Let's get after it right now. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 stairs with 3 squares, 3 colors. I'm going to do it in the USA flag, United States flag motif. So I'll have red, white, and then blue. So red's going to be on top. I'm going to put that on the bottom. White, I want to layer this on top like so. And then the blue here, I know this is going to be at the bottom. So by the time I fold it, you'll see they're different sizes, so this is how I'm making out for it. As I fold it down, I'll know that I'll have the most amount of blue possible to work with. And then it doesn't matter, I'm not going to use that color again. Okay, so folding this whole thing in half into a rectangle, and then again into a square, turning it on its side. I have all the open ends here. So my first color, red, white, and blue. Blue's on the bottom. I'm going to fold down my blue color. And really I can just ignore blue from here on out. And now I can take my white. And then I can fold everything else in the back. Sure they're kind of even. Turn that on its side, and really now this is your pocket square, or your pocket's gonna be pretty full now once you have these 3 pocket squares in there. If you have silk, maybe it's a little bit harder to fold, but they'll fit better. I'm using satin, so it really does fill the pocket up quite a bit. But there's your 3 stairs, 3 squares, 3 colors.